Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing how holding Bitcoin is as safe as owning gold and bonds, says Anthony Scaramucci. Anthony Scaramucci, the head of Skybridge Capital, as well as former White House communications director, believes that Bitcoin's value proposition has strengthened ever since governments have addressed many of the risks that are associated with digital assets. In an opinion article published by CNN, Scaramucci and his fellow Skybridge executive Brett Messing argued that Bitcoin had become a viable option for long-term investors that are seeking refuge from inflation. The authors also stated that holding Bitcoin is far less risky today than it was just a couple of years ago when regulations and infrastructure were underdeveloped. Bitcoin's growth has caused government as well as institutions to step in and address many of the risks that are often associated with the digital currency. This is what the authors wrote, pointing to the Office of the Comptroller of Currency's decisions to enable all banks to provide cryptocurrency services. They added, increased regulations, improved infrastructure, as well as access to financial institutions, such as Fidelity, had made Bitcoin investments just as safe as owning bonds and commodities such as gold, which are used to balance portfolios. Skybridge Capital made a big splash in the news last month when it filed an application with the US SEC to launch a Bitcoin hedge fund. Its Skybridge Bitcoin Fund LP launched just a few weeks later. It did this with Fidelity serving as custodian, while Ernst & Young were chosen to handle the auditing. Skybridge reportedly invested in Bitcoin during November and December 2020, allowing it to accumulate a substantial position in the cryptocurrency prior to its parabolic spike. By the time the fund was launched on January 4th of this year, Skybridge had claimed its BT exposure was worth around $310 million. Institutional capital is considered to be a major catalyst behind Bitcoin's 300% rally in 2020, which brought its price to a new all-time high of $42,000 on January the 8th. Smart money investors are beginning to view Bitcoin as digital gold rather than just a speculative asset. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.